Everyone. Nobody knows what really is going to happen in crypto, but I am 100% sure that in less than a month, 100 billion Terra Luna Classic will be burned in total. You know how long it took us? Roughly 20 months. Guys, I'm bullish in us, this community. We are passing good proposals. We're building. This is not dead. This is not destroyed. You're watching right now on the screen the price of months, right, in the working. And I know that we only need a little bit of a pump to revive a lot of people, to revive a lot of holders, and to believe again that we can reach some levels that we haven't seen. I am absolutely not saying, guys, that this token is going to get to $1 or that we're going to burn 1 trillion every month or a year or that we are magically going to be back in the highlight spot of market cap that once we were. No, because there's so many different projects out there that it is a challenge. It is a competition. LUNC has a community that anyone will envy. And I love that because FTX is promising to pay everyone. Other different tokens that were destroyed back in 2022 are no longer with us. Terra Luna Classic community is right here. For Terra Luna, right? Bankruptcy Chapter 11 might be the best way forward to let the community know we continue believing we're going to be reorganizing. And, in an indirect way, it's going to push eyeballs to Terra Luna Classic. So I'm bullish in that. Let's go ahead and talk about the price of LUNC, an update as well. Shout out to our sponsor, Prime XBT, because if you're looking for an exchange, has a lot of contests, rewards, and not only crypto, but Forex and metals and oil and stocks, even. There's a lot. Link down below. First one, take a look at them, check them out because they're really a good one. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. Welcome aboard. First thing I want to tell you is made a video about right here telling you of are you seeing this? And what I meant was that we were in the 4 hours or so, 8 hours, right? Intervals. Pumping, dumping, pumping, dumping, pumping, dumping. So I was like, okay, there's a chance for a nice pump and evenly precious one too. I was looking for that. To my surprise, now from since the 5th, so it's been about 3 days, consolidation. Carolina Classic had a nice breakout, had a 15-20% rally, and it is really awesome. A couple of the things that you are looking at is when you go to the station. Let's go to the station actually right here. The station is going to show us the latest when it comes to what's been passing or not. I'm going to let that load while I do that because, I mean, I think a lot of people are looking at the recent KYC for L1 developer proposal passed. That's really good. I see Mr. Diamond Hands. I see the community always, being very engaged, and also even Matthew Perry launching his own proposal, similar to letting know which validators are not saying anything. So we hold them accountable to validators because we talked about the burns, how some validators don't want to do it, some validators want to do it. Mostly they don't want because they don't want to change what they already got. And eventually, if we talk about burns, nothing is going to change. Sad but true. It took us 20 months to be in this position. Who is going to wait another 20 months in 2026 to say, whoa, we have 200,000, 200 billion now. Yay. Nobody. We're not going to burn 1 trillion LUNC. And it's basically going to be something at the end of 2030, 2020s. I'm not seeing it that way. UNC is going to be rallying because of the altcoin season and major changes as well. Now, there is station right now. Let's go to governance, voting, global LUNC burn program update and official set. That's one that's right now passed. And this is where this one, which was passed, submitted on the first. And then we have this one, Labs Community Spend proposal. So this one, some of the reactions that we're seeing here is following. It was a closed vote in LUNC history. Take a look at this 34%, and you add these two, and somewhat of a challenge. But The proposal saw massive voting turnout of 90% as it was crucial to boost the chain security. Top validator all nodes voted abstain, but last minute votes and support from the other 40 validators passed the proposal. I like that. Fact that not just the one of the biggest ones just can dictate what's working here in the LUNC community, everybody working for it. LUNC proposal 12033 requiring L1 developers to KYC to a third party provider in order to submit code on the LUNC blockchain has officially passed, meaning more protection, more security. Who is trying to change things? Well, let's go ahead and know their ID blockchain credentials and see where they're coming from and what their intentions are. So that and burns a little bit, but mostly the altcoin season is what's gonna bring Terra Luna Classic to, I think, a decent level. If we go to the 1 week, we have to go to 1 week to finally see something decent. Look, this was the end of 2023, and we haven't been there. We have two different Fibonacci retracement. This one to the previous all-time high, 2022. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna also delete the Bollinger Bands because I don't need it here. What I'm looking at is now this new rally that we had. And right now we're at 78% retracement, telling me that if we follow the same pattern as the previous one, we are going to fall ourselves into this level consolidated till finally money goes from Bitcoin to Ethereum and then to altcoin. All eyes are on Terra Luna Classic. All eyes are on this token to do massively well. Where can you buy it? What are the places that you can go ahead and get them? Well, the only thing you want to do, where is Coin Market? Here it is. Go ahead and find our Terra Luna Classic link. And this one right here, the markets, got all these places where you can buy them from. You know what? It's always really exciting when you can buy whichever tokens that you're looking at, right? All different places. You know which one we need? Coinbase, right? So different places for better prices. This one, guys, Prime XBT, all-in-one platform for all trading needs. 1 million clients, content, obviously for US, not for many, but if it's obviously something that you can approach, right? A VPN if that works for you. Prime XBT, guys, this is what happens. All of the trading indicators that we have for stocks, for crypto, stocks, crypto, and then we have different forex and also even crude. Opening up to different markets, etc. And I think it's really exciting. My main, you remember last video we talked about opening up some positions in stocks and in futures. That's what allows you to do, which is really cool. Contest and rewards. Join this one, the global markets and demo. It helps you buy so many different things because a lot of different exchanges don't let you get on positions that you want. Well, Prime XBT is one that it's actually talking about it and trying to get as many people as possible. Millions of users, professional grade in a smarter way. And look at this. Online trading is a good one. Mobile app trading. Mobile app is one thing that when you're on the go, you always kind of want to get ahead of of the game and wake up, go back to bed, and you want to start trading. Millions of users, trades, different countries served. So beautiful trading platforms that you want to go ahead and get to, you know where to go, guys. So check them out as well. I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Go to global markets right here. I mean, futures, that there's a lot of people, futures that are loving, guys, the trade aspect where you buy, you sell, and everything. So look at all of the different things. If I go ahead and do all markets are crypto only, and these are the positions that I'm looking at, Cardano and different things with your margin available. So check them out, everybody. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. I'll take a look at the links down below or Prime XBT. Peace.